I'm looking at a red cow up there. I believe it's the bull. And he's right by the tank. I think I can see that red is in. But we'll go over there and make sure. And then we'll go out the north road. How about that? The next few days are supposed to be beautifully warm. Good boy. Yeah, you don't like the sound of the dogs running through the cornstalks, do you? Well, get over it. Ugh. These ruts are not comfortable to go over in a carriage, but they aren't as bad as they are during the height of the season when they're about a foot deep. What a good boy. And when we get over here to the sprinkler, we'll have gone a mile. Good boy. I'm tired of stumbling in those things. I'm just going to jump it. How about this one? Same thing? All right, let's walk. Nope, it's not red that I see. It's Molly, the second. Ugh. That's the deepest one so far. And the cows are all used to horses and carriages. And it's not the bull that's next to the water tank. It is Alice. Hi, Alice. They don't all have names. Look at that, red is in. That's a miracle. That's good news. So, now that we know that, we'll just go out here to the north. We will have had a nice 3-mile drive by the time it's all over. Buster, are you ready? Let's working trot. And I don't know what that is, but I don't want to find out by you stepping in it. We have a lot of badgers around here. Good boy. And that's a new tempted badger hole. I don't think they went all the way down with it. The farmers hate them. They say they're very uncomfortable to hit in a tractor. Should we make a nice left-hand circle? Let's make a nice left-hand circle. Nice. Very nice. Are you ready to trot on just a little bit? That's a boy. Buster, you need to learn to canter in harness. Can you canter? Canter. No, we're not going to go that direction yet. I know, I've never let you canter doing this, have I? Well, we're getting too close to the end of the road to do it now. Look at you trot on, though. What a good boy. Come down. Working trot. That's a good boy. Let's walk. What a good boy. Now, you just walk. And he should be quiet going over the culvert, which is good. What a good boy. And we have now hit where the wind is going to really affect the camera, and so I am going to turn it off. Have a great day, everybody.